Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete or remove Google Drive from your laptop or your PC. So let's get right into it. And removing Google Drive from your PC is as easy as removing any other program. You just have to locate it in your control panel and delete it, and I'll be showing you guys how to do that. Now, what you're going to want to do is go into your search bar and type in apps and features, or programs and features, or add or remove programs, depending on your Windows machine or whichever machine you have. You just go into your program and app sort of menu, or call it whatever you want, the list, then just click on that, and as you can see, it'll open up a new window, and now you'll have a list of all the apps installed on your computer. What you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find Google Drive, and I don't have Google Drive on my PC, but you might have it. You just want to click it. For example, let's say Google Chrome is Google Drive. Click it, then click uninstall, and once the uninstallation process finishes, the Google Drive app will be removed from your PC, and you're pretty much set. And that is literally all you have to do. It is as easy as that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something and found this tutorial helpful. And I'll be seeing you guys in another video.